Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to start working with the Glorp stuff we set up with VA Smalltalk and Oracle last time. And that is we want to take the table we created last time and actually insert some data into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new employee object, and we're just going to create it and send some accessing methods to go ahead and create the object and fill it in. We're going to make use of our employee system, which is the descriptor class where we set up all of this stuff last time, where we described our table to Glorp so that we can then go ahead and work with it. And then finally, what we're going to do is, having grabbed a session, and I've already done this part here where I created a session and made sure I logged in. I turned logging on so that we can look at the transcript and watch what's happening. So what we're going to do is we're going to create this employee object, and we're going to begin our transaction. We're going to register the employee object as new. And the reason I'm doing this as new instead of just registering is I want to ensure that Glorp treats it as a new object, not as something that's already in the database. So now, having done the creation, I'm going to do these three things. Begin our transaction, register the object, which will have the effect of putting it in the database, and then we will commit the unit of work. So let's go ahead and execute. Look up here and you can see insert into employee. You see the SQL that got generated, and it went ahead and committed it. Now, what we're going to do is two things. First, we're going to query it out this way. So we'll do an inspect on the results here. And you see we got an employee back, and if you look up here in the transcript, you can see the select statement. But just to kind of prove to you that something interesting happened, let's go ahead and get a command line up, and we'll run SQL plus, and I'm going to log in, and we'll do select star from emp. And there we go. So you see the object is in there. So we've gone ahead and we've created our object. We registered it into the database, and then we were able to query. So let's log out now. And that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.